What's up everybody, it's No Primac, and today I've got the B&O Olufsen H7 in black. So let me go ahead and box it. I already sliced open the back. And this is like airtight sealed, so it's really hard to get opened. There we go. And then here they are. The aluminum is much smaller than the H6. Here's my finger next to it. Like 2 knuckles. The chamfer is actually anodized this time, unlike the H6. So the entire aluminum is black. Here's the battery storage. This is the ring that you use to move the adjust the volume, skip tracks, take phone calls. It's a Bluetooth 4.0, I believe. There's a headphone jack if you run out of battery, and that's the Bluetooth switch. And here's the micro USB for charging. Foam pads are all black instead of green like the black H6. Rotates 90 and extends out probably like 2 knuckles too. Really nice. So let's set that aside. And in the box we have these 2 pull tabs. This thing is kind of like felt lined, quite soft. And then there's this pamphlet that says free gift. The gift is waiting for you, and when you visit your local B&O Olufsen store, you get a value of approximately 25 euros. Check out their other items. Let me check. So there's a code there on the bottom, and it says it will expire May 1st of 2016. So I've got quite some time to pick them up. And here are the accessories. That's the literature. I'm not gonna open that. These are the cables. The audio cable, no buttons. And this part is plastic, it's not metal anymore. And the micro USB cable for charging and updating. It's quite nice. B&O branded on both of them. I believe it's USB 2.0 to micro USB. And then the bag. Here's the bag. No branding, and doesn't seem to have the aluminum puck anymore. So that's kind of cheaped off, since this is $4.49 a pair. Okay, let's put all this aside and check out these, how they work. I can show you the functions. I have it connected to my phone. So I'm gonna turn this on right here. I already have it paired, so turn that on. And it should automatically pair once you set it up the first time. So I'm going to go to my Bluetooth, and you should see it right there connected. And if you go into your notification center, it actually appears as one of the battery's accessories. So right now it's at 70%. Pretty cool. And I can show you a song. Let me find. Here's a song playing. Put this in the background. And then you can tap on it, pause, and then tap on it to play again. And then you rotate. Hear that gets louder. I actually had a hard time learning this, and I found out you actually rotate inside. You see there's just actually a raised level, this indent. It's actually raised, so this outer ring is higher than the inner ring, and you're supposed to actually rotate the inner ring for this to work. And for skipping tracks, you slide from the center. Go back a track, go from the center out. Pretty nice. And this actually doesn't follow the volume indicator on the iPhone. From around the middle is very quiet. It's probably like 0% volume. And I guess the volume setting for the headphones is 50% of the iPhones. It's the same maximum volume, just over smaller range. So you have to be a little bit more precise in setting your volumes. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.